Hello there, this is Alex, Tutor and Clinical Supervisor from the Northern College of Acupuncture in York. I'm just offering some short videos on some techniques that you can do to help support you at this time. This is another acupressure technique. So acupressure is where we stimulate specific points on the body, acupuncture points on the body using pressure with our hands, our fingers, our thumbs. So the point that I'm going to show you that's really good for opening up the chest to help with our breathing. So we can use this at any time, either if we have a cold, a virus, or if we just want some help with our breathing. It's quite common that most people breathe very shallowly, usually when we're stressed and the shoulders are tight. So these points are really good for opening up the chest. They also have a secondary function of helping with anxiety. So especially useful at this time if you're feeling stressed or anxious with uncertainty. So the best way to stimulate these points is actually with tapping. So you can tap with your fingers. You can also use your fists gently as well, but what I would suggest is tapping with the fingers. So what you're going to find here on the body is the clavicle, which is the collarbone, and you're going to start just off the sternum. So there's a hard bone in the middle here, which is the sternum. You're coming just off the sternum underneath the clavicle, and what you're going to do is do some rhythmical tapping, and you're going to use about an even pressure as you tap. And this point here is kidney 27, so it's an acupuncture point that we use to open the chest, calm anxiety. So start here, and then what I want you to do is, after you've tapped for a few minutes here, work underneath the clavicle and continue that tapping until you reach just the edge of your shoulder there. So you're still underneath the clavicle. Now this area in Chinese medicine is the lung meridian, so we use it to support the lung function to help the breathing and open the chest. And then what you can do is bring that tapping all the way back into more towards the center of the chest. When you start out here, you're about a couple of inches out from the center, so you're not on the midline, you're just off and just underneath the clavicle. And you can do that for a few minutes at a time. You can do it in the morning or in the evening before you go to sleep, or if you're feeling particularly anxious or you feel like your chest is tight. So yeah, I hope you're all well, and speak to you soon. Thank you.